Hello, I'm Novita. I'll present our research that entitled Innovating STEM Learning Through 5E, Merging Biology, Experiment, and Function Graphs to Foster Conversational Reasoning with GeoGebra. We conduct this research because STEM education integrates science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to enhance real world problem solving. In national context, Indonesia's declining PISA 2022 scores in math from this score to this score and science from this score to this score. It highlights student difficulties in graph interpretation and mathematical modeling. The 5 e-learning model engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate encourages inquiry, conceptual understanding, and active participation. Conversational reasoning is key component of mathematical literacy because it involves understanding how changes in one quantity relate to change in another. It's vital in analyzing graph and interpretation biological phenomena such as growth, decay, or rates. Despite its importance, convolutional reasoning is rarely emphasized in rational mathematics instruction, especially in biology-related contexts. GeoGebra, as a dynamic mathematics tool, helps visualize and interact with function graph, making pattern of change more explicit. So this study proposed a STEM-based innovation by integrating biology experiment and function graph analysis using GeoGebra within the 5E models to enhance conversational reasoning among fifth first-year biology education students. We use the research method as qualitative descriptive and 91 first-year biology education student as participant and student conduct real experiment, collected authentic biological data, visualize variable relationship using GeoGebra, and the learning use 5E base. Data were collected via observation, student worksheet, interviews, and reflective journal, and analyzed using thematic analysis. About the result and discussion, the first is about learning outcomes. It means conceptual understanding improve. The second, the 5E process and GeoGebra's role in conversational reasoning. The third, development of conversational reasoning. And the fourth, challenge and implication. Let us judge. The first is STEM learning, enhanced mathematical understanding in biological context. This is the score of pre-test and the post-test. Students become more capable of interpreting biological data into function graph. Growth in conversational reasoning, understanding how two variables change in relation to each other. Example, give time versus plan height. And the second about learning process, 5E model and GeoGebra in graphing function. In best engage contextual problem, example give mark bin experiment, it sparks curiosity of student. In best explore, collecting real data, 10 pairs of x and fx to and then visualize in GeoGebra, and best explain, interpreting graph. Like the graph is almost a straight line, so we can model it with linear function. And then elaborate phase, students are thinking critically, like, is the graph really linear? Is there a limit to plan height? And this is the student work. And GeoGebra support direct observation how y change with x. For the evidence of student conversational reasoning development, Students began asking reflective questions. Would other plants have linear growth too? Which function fits better if the growth isn't linear? And then they recognize that a model is a simplification of reality. Linear means good for short term, but exponential or logistic better for long term biological process. And then students saw generalization skill, transferring function concept to other biological contexts. And the last is challenge and application of STEM learning integration. For the challenges, students still feel difficulty in modeling nonlinear data because we only use GeoGebra feature in standard. So it needs guidance. Students tend to rely on visual without understanding the underlying mathematics, but no more. And the solution is use tools like Excel Trendline to bridge intuition and formal modeling, provide scaffolding, both technical and conceptual, and implication. The 5E model combined with digital tools is effective when paired with mentorship and strengthen both function literacy and quantitative reasoning. So the conclusion, we can take enhance functional graph understanding through STEM learning. The first is STEM-based approach using biological experiment and GeoGebra within the 5A model. And then improve conceptual understanding of function graph in a real-world biological context, support co-professional learning by linking math and science dynamically, foster deeper data analysis skill and mathematics literacy, but we still have challenge in modeling nonlinear data using GeoGebra for the beginner. In the future direction, we will explore tools like Excel Streamline for accessible nonlinear modeling. Thank you. That's all.